Ever wonder why it's so easy to form bad habits, but nearly impossible to break them? Like, how come watching Netflix for 5 hours happens without trying, but going for a walk feels like climbing a mountain? It's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain is efficient, sometimes too efficient. Habits are your brain's way of saving energy. Do something enough times, and your brain turns it into a shortcut. No thinking, no effort, just automatic. Which is great for brushing your teeth, not so great for doom scrolling every night until 2 a.m. Here's what's actually going on. Your brain builds habits using a loop. Cue, routine, reward. You feel stressed. You grab your phone. You feel better. For like 8 seconds. Your brain goes, nice. Let's do that again. That's why bad habits stick. They give instant relief, even if they mess you up later. But here's the twist. The habit isn't the real problem. It's what you're trying to feel. Safe, distracted, comforted. And if you don't give your brain a better option, it'll keep running the same loop forever. So the key isn't fighting your habits. It's outsmarting them. Change your environment. Make the bad stuff harder to reach. And make the good stuff stupidly easy. You don't need more willpower. You need better systems. You're not broken. You're just on autopilot. But now that you see the pattern, you can choose something better. Start small. Stay consistent. And if this helped, break one habit right now. And hit subscribe.